Hi friends, hi everyone. This is Mocartedu Education, and Mocartedu Education will give you some new thoughts and idea how to speak English fluency. Our mother tongue is Bengali, but everyone learn, everyone learn English language. They want to speak English language, and I will give you some new thoughts and new ideas. Many people they are read like 10 years in a school, but everyone has a subject. This is name English book, English literature. But many people have there are lot of EPS, science and geography, everything. Yeah. But they, I think, they cannot speak English. Why? What is reason? What is where they have minimum two or three teachers, and they all are read in English medium school, Bengali medium school, but they cannot speak. I saw and I observed it. Then I opened is this my English classes, mock artist education, and I think they don't read their text and their stories, and I think story is the best way to learning English. How and why? Story, why? Everyone said to us, story, grammar is important for English, and when they are learn lots of grammar rules, they forget. They did not learn. They cannot speak English language. They forget this is the English language I want to learn. But they speak and speak lot of grammar, and then school are also they are teachers. They are find out it is your mistake. It is your mistake. Why you? Yeah, what is language? When you writing, then you find out, and when you say something, it is automatically will recover. But storytelling is the most important thing. When today's most important things, storytelling will build up your thinking skill, and build up your knowledge, and build up your grammatical problem. Story is the best way for learning English. So today's topic is spoken English without grammar. Like me, I also read 15 years ago lots of grammar, but I cannot speak English. Why? What is my what was my fault? But I recognize I did not read story, and I did not read many books, stories book, lots of English literature. But I think I want to. I Rapidex also very famous book. Everyone knows. If I can read this book, then my speaking power will be very fine. But it is wrong. I read, and I have read many spoken English book, but I did not speak. Why? This you think when you think when we speak Bengali, do you think of any grammar while speaking language? No. Just I read, just I say something like a. But we do mistake here sometimes when we say Bengali. Then that's when we say something in English, but when we do mistake in English, but it is very not too good. Why? You first you will have read and then you speak. But you read more lot of book, then you speak easily. I think that how to speak without grammar. Have you ever thought that since we are born to speak English, we cannot speak without grammar? If you think I want to learn English language, then you can speak. If you learn, I want to learn grammar, but you cannot speak easily. If you think I want to learn English language, then you can speak easily. First you speak easily, then many people, lots of people, they are knows, they read also, and 12th and college also. I think a lot of many teachers we have in our society. I also see they are called I have done English honors in university, MA. They are called MA. But where, I think, where they are? But when we find for my daughter and my like a son a good teacher, but I cannot find out a good teacher. But where they? This is fact. Many, when I started spoken English Mocartedu education, many people think, well, he is not in MA, but he will learn to us. I don't want to learn. We tend to overlook grammar such that grammar, that language itself is forgotten. I would say that English is a language. You speak easily. You speak easily, and you start to speaking from today. I would say something. I will say something. Say something. Then you read lots of book. Then maximum you have to read 50 stories. Then you can say something in English. And automatically I say you don't read grammar. When you think I will read grammar, and your brain also will be puzzled. But storytelling is the best way. They have everything is this is language. I want to learn a language, then I will speak easily. How to can you speak easily? So if you like this video, like and subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will give you some new thoughts and idea, and I will bring you make new videos. So bye bye, goodbye.